Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Microsoft Edge Browser Profile Sync, full guide step by step clearly. To install Microsoft Edge Browser Profile Sync, first ensure you have the latest version of Microsoft Edge installed on your device. Open the Microsoft Edge browser on your computer. Click on the profile icon located at the top right corner of the window. If you are not signed in, select Sign in to log in with your Microsoft account. If you already have an account added, skip to the next step. After signing in, Edge will prompt you to turn on Sync. Click on Turn on Sync to enable this feature. You will then see a list of data types you can sync, such as favorites, passwords, and history. Review the options and toggle on the types of data you wish to sync across devices. Once you have made your selections, click Confirm to save your settings. To check your sync status, return to the profile icon and select Manage Profile Settings. Here, you can see what data is currently. To add profiles, click on the profile icon again and select Add Profile. Follow the prompts to create additional profiles, which can make sure to repeat the sign-in process for each profile you wish to sync. Now, you can enjoy a seamless browsing experience across all devices. If you want to manage sync settings later, go to Settings from the menu. Under Profiles, click on Sync. Here, you can modify what you want to sync or turn off sync altogether. With these steps complete, your Microsoft Edge Profile Sync is now fully set up and ready to use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.